Right here, I have the perfect desk that you're looking for. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm going to be reviewing this modern farmhouse style executive desk. This desk is absolutely huge, coming in at 79 inches. I ended up getting this desk for my office because I wanted to be able to put a laptop here, some office books, some files, folders, my camera, and really be able to use a large desk. Now, this looks absolutely incredible, and I'm going to go over some of the features that make this so great. First off, I absolutely love the design. This is a dark wood style and just looks absolutely beautiful. This is also going to be constructed with a medium density board, and you also get an iron frame in the middle that is black, throws a little bit of nice contrast, and actually enables this to hold up to 200 pounds. Now, this desk also features a nice fluted design that gives it a lot of flair and style. I love the way that the board contours all the way from the top around to the bottom and just flows. It just looks seamless and absolutely beautiful. Now, when you see a desk this big, you may think that the assembly is very difficult, but it's actually pretty easy. The directions recommend 2 people, but I was actually able to build this by myself. It was very easy to follow because the pictures on the directions were super clear, crisp, comes with all the tools, the nuts and bolts that you need to assemble this. It really didn't take me much time at all. And you're also going to be featured with 2 drawers on each side. They have a lot of storage. They're actually pretty deep. I find myself putting my calculator, pens in here, notepads. They're pretty wide and very practical. And they also slide in and out very easily, and they do stop at the end, so they're not just gonna fall out. There is gonna be one line going through the middle. It's not my favorite thing, but it really doesn't look that bad because it's 2 pieces that you do put together, so the wood doesn't flow continuously through the middle. But honestly, I don't think that's a deal breaker because I end up just putting a mouse pad over here, my laptop, and it ended up covering it up really nice anyway. Now, this desk is gonna be almost 25 inches tall and about 27 inches deep. So that's going to give you so much room to put a ton of stuff on this desk. And really, that is the most important thing about this. It gives you that executive feeling because it is huge. Now, if you're going to have this in like the entryway of your home, it's really going to put a statement on the room because of how big and large this desk is. And I love the fact that it's affordable too. It looks amazing, and I absolutely love this desk. Before, my desk was probably half the width. So now I basically have 2 desks, and it's been so practical to be able to use this and put so many different things on here and just be able to work and flow without having to use any other storage in the room. It's just really nice and practical, and I highly recommend it. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.